My son wanted to be on my page so bad that he was like, Mom, can you record you doing my tail over? So in this video, I am showing you guys how I did his tail. I just took it down and then he washed his hair and now I am braiding it all the way down. And I love this tail on him because one, it brings back so many memories. I remember my cousin and I would sit and he would have his tail and I just thought he was so cool. So for my son to say, I want to have a tail, one, because he don't like to have a lot of hair, and two, because his siblings have hair. So he wanted to join. He didn't want a lot of hair, but he wanted enough to say, I can get in mama's share. So here's how it looks all the way down with his beads. And he's going to tell you what happened with his tail and if he still has it. Why do you want to cut off your tail?
I don't know why, but my barber kind of cut it a little bit, so it's time for it to go.
What else? What were some problems that you had?
People just asked about it, and I'm like, it's a different type of hairstyle. Let's just say that.
Do you think that people should judge people based off of their personal style?
No.
Did it make you sad when people call it a rat tail? And
that's what it's called, so I didn't really care, but...
What words made hurt your feelings? Look at the camera, please.
Like, say Francis, they said, you should cut it off, you should cut it off, cut it off, cut it off over and over again. Out it comes.
And it hurt your feelings?
Yeah.
Dare to be different? Would you ever grow out a rat tail again?
Maybe.
I think you was putting fashion in fashion. It makes me sad. We're about to cut it, y'all. Look how long it is. So it was a braid, but it kind of shrunk. But you see where his barber ended up cutting it. So how long you been growing out this tail, you would say?
About a year.
I think it's been longer than a year. Like 2 years since COVID, maybe? The pandemic?
I think it was a year.
Yeah, a year. Actually, I think it was 2 years because I got it when I was like 8. Actually, 7.
Why did you love it so much?
Like, it's like a personality thing.
It made you different, stand out from the crowd?
Yeah, like, made me different from Tell and Elijah. They all have braids. Mom the only one with this on the back of me.
So it was like, I get to have a braid.
You could be like us and Mom can do your hair for you.
No. I don't want to do hair. He don't like putting on lotion, guys. He doesn't like chapstick.
Mom, let's get to cutting it.
Okay, guys, watch me cut it off. I'm about to cut off his tail. I'm going to show y'all like a side profile of it so you can see it go. Bye-bye.
Mom,
move your foot. Stop, please. He's tired of people talking about him. They really don't. Kids are so... Y'all need to watch our kids because they really hurt my baby's feelings when he had his tail. But it's time to cut. Can you see it, Victoria? Mm-hmm. You want to cut the rest? I'm just kidding. You can't.
It's really gone.
You gotta cut that.
Wait.
Hey.
Here, show yourself. Back up with it. Oh my gosh, he got it. Turn around. Let everybody see.
You gotta cut off the excess.
Yeah, I gotta cut off some more, but keep turning. You just had a fresh haircut. All right, sit down. Let me finish. Let me get it together.
Dang.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
I would call Dad.
No, don't. I want to see if they recognize that you.
That hurt?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
How's your dog?
Oh.
Oh my god. Chad's gonna be like, where'd it go, bro?
Nah. He already told me he want this cut off.
Why?
He was like, when you gonna cut this off, bro? When you gonna cut this off? I said in 4th grade.
So what grade you going to?
4th grade.
All right, let's see. Let's show people.
It is that time.
Never thought this day would come.
Let's show the people. Y'all, I'm gonna show a recap of us braiding it and putting beads on it, so y'all can just see.
We need to bury this.
No.
We can put it in a bag.
We could put it in a bag and put it in your book. Jacob
Had a tail.
had a tail. People gonna be like, that's so weird. She kept her hair. All right, say peace. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Subscribe and hit that notification bell. That's it.
So this is how it was. How it feel behind there?
Feels fresh.
Feels clean.
So fresh, it's so clean. So what hairstyle you about to be rocking now?
Imagine if Ninja had a low taper fade.
What you got now?
No.
So 4th grade is what?
A low taper fade.
Oh, so we doing it.